Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to an update on our little Starlet, which is sitting there in the driveway. Now, I've done a few videos on this car in the past, and what I'll do, I'll link those videos down below in the description box so you can have a look at those if you're interested. Now, this car's got over 300,000 Ks on the clock now, and it has not missed a beat. It just runs perfectly without any problems. Now, my plan was to get this car up to 500,000 Ks and do another update video when it reaches 500,000 Ks, which would be a good milestone. It's only a little 1.3 litre car, hardly uses any petrol, and I drive it to work almost every day. Unfortunately now, this car is gone. It's dead, someone's killed it. Bang, no more. It still seems to be sitting there. Let's go and have a look and see why this car is now no more. It looks pretty good there, no problems. Looks pretty good here. Can't really see any major issues with it. Still looks good on the inside, no dramas at all, and everything works perfectly. Now looking at this side, if you look at the back wheel, you might start getting an idea of what's happened to it. There you go. Someone has decided, whilst I was stopped at a roundabout, doing the right thing, that they didn't want to stop. Most likely they were playing on their phone. It was a P-plater, and this car is now a write-off. We might try and fix this car, however the insurance company won't be fixing it. So a decent hit there. Okay, the parcel shelf went flying, and that's the inside of it there. I'm very upset about this, not really happy, as I was seriously trying to get this car to 500,000 Ks on the original engine. But that's not likely to happen now. Unless my son, who does have some interest in this car, and myself maybe, can fix it. Okay, we can easily buy another tailgate and another tail light and another bumper bar. However, the problem is that I believe there might be damage inside here. You can see that there is probably damage there, and this is all bent in. Now, because it's bent in, we might be able to bend it out. Don't know. I mean, anything can be fixed with the right amount of time and money, but is it worth it? Just thought I'll give you guys an update on our car, and now I'm going to park it up in the shed for a little while and see what happens. Hopefully the other driver's insurance will pay us out. They won't pay to fix it. The repair on this car will be more than what the car's worth, so they probably won't be paying to get it fixed. They'll just pay us out if we're lucky, and I've really got no idea how much we're going to get for it. It's not worth a lot, and it's worth more to me than what it's actually worth. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. If you like, leave a comment down below and let me know if you think it's worth fixing or not. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.